Welcome to Cognition, Fabrication, and Design. Now, I've dreamed about making my own guitar for years, and I finally have the resources available to execute this level of a project. Now, for my first guitar, this design is pretty ambitious, but I wanted to make something interesting and intriguing, and something that stands out. Now, this video is not necessarily to teach you how to make this, but to show you the process of how I went about it. So let's get this started. This is the Combcaster. Oh yeah. Let's see. Whoa. Look at how full that is.
There's 100 more of that.
Yeah, there's 100 more of that.
Especially there's sparkle stuff in there.
Sparkle stuff?
Look.
That's aluminum.
No.
So now I have the back of the guitar glued to the middle. Now in this design there's no pick guard, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to machine in the channels for the electronics and then glue the top on while it's still on the CNC machine so that everything lines up when I finish machining. I'm going to make sure that this is straight by putting 2 registration holes with dowels in it, and then I'm going to put screws in at predetermined locations to clamp it while the glue is setting. Time to sand my life away.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
It
Well,
looks cool.
yeah. Well, tell us all about it.
I made it so hard. I used a lot of glue with mine, and I used the dust from over there. And I get the markers over there, and I put black sparkle and all black. That's what I did. Me and Daddy is working.
This guitar is finished and it came out really nice. It plays really well, it sounds really good, and the body is really resonant, which is exactly what you want. Now for all you gearheads out there, the body is made out of ash. I have Grover tuners. This is a Mighty Mite maple neck. I use the Seymour Duncan 1/4 pound pickup set and the Emerson wiring system with the 4-way switch. I'll leave all the links down below in the description. The 2 songs you heard in this video are my originals. The guitar parts for the second song were recorded on this guitar. Stick around for some sound samples. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.